Hi guys, this time I've made a project on RF modules with our RF modules, and I've also used the encoders and decoders concept in transmitting the data and receiving the data. So let me tell you something about it. This is my transmitting circuit. This whole breadboard is for transmitting data, and this breadboard over here is for receiving the data part. And now coming up to the transmitting breadboard. This is my 7805, that's an annual battery, that's the keypad for transmitting numbers and alphabets. 8051 microcontroller, this is the encoder, and that's my transmitter. This is how RF, these all are RF transmitter, and that's how an RF transmitter looks like. So this is my this is my transmitter circuit. And now talking about the receiver circuit, this is my receiver circuit, and this is 16x2 LCD to display the numbers or alphabets transmitted by that keypad. Okay, and that's my 8051 microcontroller. That's the receiver end of it. This is the receiver module of RF. So it receives the data sent by this transmitter. So it transmits the data and send it to this receiver part through radio frequency waves. And I've used this concept to transfer my alphabets from this keypad, and these alphabets and numbers from this keypad, and they'll be displayed over this LCD. Now let me start this project. I switched on the circuit for transmitter, switched it on for receiver as well. You see there's nothing displayed right now, but as soon as I press like 7, you'll see a 7, then 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 0. So you see, I've transmitted almost all the numbers wirelessly. You can also create a distance between them to see whether it's wireless or not. So like 7 and then 5, 4. So that's the technology of RF, radio frequency technology. You can transmit your data wirelessly. So it has a lot of applications, like if you want to make a remote control car or something to spy on, so where you don't want your wires to be messed up and you want all the data to be wirelessly received and transmitted, you can use your RF modules. And I've used the encoders and decoders because I tried to make it happen through the RX and TX of part of the microcontroller as well, but it didn't work. That's why I chose for encoder and decoders. What they do is they encode. You see there are 4 parallel wires, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these 4 parallel wires are getting the data from they are correspondingly getting the data. When I press these numbers, they get the data and they send it to this encoder part, and then this encoder encodes it and send via one serial cable to this transmitter. Then this transmitter transmits the data to this RF part, and this RF part gives the data through this cable to the decoder. That's the decoder, and then this decoder again decodes 4 parallel wires to this 8051, and then this 8051 performs the corresponding coding part and then gives the display out through this LCD. You see 7, 6, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. So this is my project on RF modules. Hope you like it. Thank you.